How to add hyperlinks in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and open the document where you want to add a hyperlink. Next, select the text or place the cursor where you want to insert a hyperlink. Then, tap the plus icon from the top menu. From the options, choose Link. A box will appear where you can enter the URL or search for a web page. Type or paste the link you want to add, then tap the check mark at the top right corner. Your selected text will now become a clickable hyperlink. If you want to edit or remove the link, simply tap the link text and choose the edit link option. And that's it. Now you know how to add hyperlinks in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.